Hello guys, this is Ansab and you are watching the Ansab YouTube channel. So welcome to another video on web hosting course for beginners, and in this video I am going to tell you about how you can find web host companies for you. So before this, let me tell you, in this video I will tell you about two type of web host companies, that is paid and one is free. So let's start. So if you are going to do some kind of project work, or you are going to test your website, then you can use free web hosting services, because you don't want to spend much amount of money on just for a test site or just for a small project. But if you are going for a website for your business, then it is recommended to use a paid web hosting, because it is stable and it doesn't have ads, and the uptime is also good, and you don't have to worry about the cancellation of your domain or hosting at any time, because sometimes in free hosting your domain can be cancelled at any time if you violate some rule. So first let me tell you about some paid hostings, and I will tell you how you can find some paid hosting services. So just for this, just open your browser and in Google search bar, just or any of favorite search bar, type uh, best web hosting provider, and you can see that there are some advertisement from Google. There, Amazon Web Service, cloud.google, it's of Google, and this one and this HostGator. So these are some advertisement, but if you want a list of all the web host companies, then there are some blogs already written about them. So you can see some links, you can open any link, if whatever you like you can open. So I am opening the first one. So just it was first, so I open it, and you can see 10 best web hosting services in 2019. So there are some best web hosting services according to this website. So first let's see, first is Bluehost, and it is first because of highest reliability. So its starting is $2.75 per month. So you can see some things that affect the rank of your web host is that load time, uptime, cost, and support. So these are the things that matters. First, the load time is what is the load time? When you type something on the address bar and when your website loads, it takes some time. So you want that your website should take the minimum amount of time to load, so that user don't have to wait for a long time. So it is recommended for your load time to be less than like 600 millisecond or 500 millisecond. So their load time is also good. And second is the uptime. So when website is run on a server, then there is some uptime, like for how much time in the past month the server was up, so the server was not switched off. So the uptime is 99.99% uptime. So it means that it was 0.00, so 0.01% time it was down, but 99.99 is also a good, or 99.98 can also be used, but it is always recommended to use 99.99% time. So second is the cost. This is the cost, it depends on plans. So when you see the plans, there are different types of plans, and I will also tell you one thing which is very important at the end of this video, related to the cost thing. So you can see the cost is $2.75 per month. So cost depends on the user. If you are able to pay this cost, then it's good, otherwise you can choose another hosting. And the other thing which matter is support, that is live chat. So when you stuck somewhere or you have some problem with your hosting, then you will contact their support. So it is better to have a hosting which have a very less average support time, so response time, so that they can respond to your query as fast as they can. So there are many other, like you can see second HostGator, their load time, uptime, SiteGround, hosting. See you, this uptime is 19.87%. So this is not a good uptime, it is just okay but not very good. You can see IPC, their load time. So there are many other the hostings you can choose by yourself according to your needs. Okay, so now we will discuss about the free web hosting services. So search on your favorite search engine, best free web hostings. Okay, so just open the first link. Okay, and you can see there are many free web hostings. Okay, let it load. So I was talking about the same. See, this website took some time to load because of the hosting that was a bit slow, so that's why. So you can see oneand1.com. So they are not free, they are not free. So it was wrong. Okay, the best free hosting of 2019. Let me open this link. Okay, InMotion hosting is the best web hosting right now, infinity free. And you can see free hostaya, and you can see 5 GB free. freehosting.com. There are many free hosting which you can use for your personal use, like for your project or testing for your site. So they are free. So there is some cons for there, that you have a limited disk space, and just one email account, one website, one database. Okay, so I'm going to talk about a web host company that is infinity free. Yes, it is first in this website. So for this tutorial, for coming videos of this course, I am going to use this infinity free web host for this, because it is free and it gives good resources. You can if you open infinity free, infinityfree.net. Okay, infinityfree.net. So if you see that fastest free hosting, 98.9 uptime, unlimited hosting, host any domain, completely free, no force. I like some of the feature of this hosting, that is you can get a free subdomain, or you can use your own domain in the free subscription. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm going to use this website, and I also recommend you to use this because it is really good. I don't have any sponsorship from this website, but I'm telling about I'm telling you about my personal experience. So now I will tell you something. So as I told you that I will tell you about something about cost. So let me open any web host company like Bluehost or even HostGator or even Hostinger. There is something common in 99% of the web hosting companies, that you can see starting at $7.99 is cut, and $2.75 per month. So what happened when you purchase this hosting for the first time? So if you purchase for 3 years or 12 months or even 2 years, you have to pay $2.75 per month. But when your subscription expires and you have to renew your hosting, then you have to pay $7.99 for 1 month, and that's very high. So according, comparable to $2.75 per month, $7.99 is very high. So be aware of this thing, because on many websites you will get the same thing. You can see that now 50% off, now 80% off, and after 80% off it is 2.99. but when you go for renewal, then you have to pay full 100%. Then you just don't get 2.99 per month, you have to pay full price. This is just the starting price for the first time. So just check this. So you can see save 82% here and $1.45 per month. But when you see, there save 75%. So for starting it's just $2.95 per month, but when you renew, then it will become $11.95 per month. So just keep in mind when you purchase your hosting, just keep in mind this thing. Okay, so I think this was enough for this video, and I think you get to know how you can purchase a web hosting according to your need. So bye. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and also share it with your friends who want to purchase hosting account. And in the next video I will tell you how you can get a free domain for your hostings, and in the other video I will tell you how to register on Infinity Free and use that your free domain with Infinity Free. So bye for now, see you in next video.